Hey, John, and we're back out on a commercial building. Whether you're a commercial building owner or a residential homeowner, when you purchase a building or a home, it's a good time to go ahead and have the roof assembly assessed just to see where it's at today. The sooner you can spot maintenance issues or maintenance items, it's going to prevent long-term issues, leaks, and problems on the inside that could be costly. We spotted a few in this commercial building, and I want to show you what we looked at today and why it's important to catch this early. Over here against this wall, the flashing's starting to fall away. Truthfully, it wasn't installed that great to begin with, but water's leaking in behind the back flashing on this metal now, causing leaks along this back wall and stains on the drywall. And again, that just gets costly to repair and replace those items. As we continue down the wall, we can see some of it has just flat out fallen away. It's just sitting on the roof line itself. Again, this is something that should have been identified as soon as the building was purchased, because once you know those maintenance items exist, you can address those maintenance items and prevent the long-term issues. Additionally, we noticed that where there could have been a fastener every seam, there's not, and we are getting a little bit of lift from this metal. The appropriate foam and butyl's behind here, that's great. That's going to prevent water from coming in, but one more fastener would have gone a long way on this roof system. As we get into this corner, there's a few fun things going on. A couple of screws missing in the cap, which are causing this cap to be loose and want to blow in the wind. A little bit of water is getting behind here, and flashing tape was utilized to finish. This may have been a temporary solution originally, but this is not a permanent solution. It could have been as simple as they just forgot to come back and finish flashing this corner. It's a minor detail, but it is causing leaks. Water's getting behind this. I can stick my whole hand back here and feel the original detail of where they tried to waterproof the roof before the metal went on. So when you purchase a building, again, whether it's commercial or residential, some annual maintenance or annual inspections go a long way. If you haven't set up a complimentary inspection for our annual service, we encourage you to check it out. To do so, call the number or follow the links on the video.